This is the ExactTrades.com Shakers Report for July 22nd, 2011. We're taking a look here at the S&P 500 Trust. Yesterday we had a pretty strong day up, had a minor pullback, and then stayed up here in consolidation rest of the day. I'm going to look for another push higher into the next level of resistance. We'll take a look at the daily chart here. I'm going to see if we can push up into this 135.75 area. If we can get through that, we might face a little bit of resistance here at 136. And then up into this 137 area to test the 52-week high. So still feeling pretty bullish. Want to see if it can test this first level of resistance here. Going to be looking for a little bit more on the long side today. So let's go ahead and get into the trades. First up we have Penn National Gaming, PENN. Take a look here. Yesterday had the breakout over 42 and had a very strong day. We had this on the report for yesterday. And we're going to look for a continuation day up over 43.80. Going to take this long about 43.85 and going to look to take first small piece around 44.50 and then try to go into 45 and then to 46. So might have one more day, but I'm not going to take this one home over the weekend. So I'll probably just do this as a day trade long today. But again, look for that break over 43.85 with strong volume. Go to take it long and see if we can get a trending move up for another day up on a continuation. Next we have COH. Had this nice move up here from this 59 area up into 68. Set a 52-week high around 69.20, and then we had this small pullback here. Kind of been consolidating just under this resistance level. So I'm going to look for a breakout over 68.10. I would look to take this long around 68.20. You could take a little bit of profit around 69 or 68.80 a little bit early. See if it can break through this resistance level here and go up into 70 and 70.50. So again, I'm probably not going to take this home with me over the weekend. I will come back to this on Monday, possibly take this long again over 70. Could go up into 72 or 73. So I'm going to look on the long side on this. Next we have ENTG. This was also a pick on yesterday's report. You can see here that we had this drop down into the 750 support. It opened around 780, dropped down into 750, had a very strong bounce off 750, and close just under this resistance level here. So I'm looking to take this long. I would say take this long over 870 and try to get this up into 890, possibly 9 area. So I would look to take profit first around 880, leave a little bit and see if you can go up into 895 and possibly 9. I don't really see this getting up past 9. And I'm not going to be taking this home with me over the weekend either as a swing trade. Probably going to close all my positions as swing trades today. Next we have STX. We're looking short for this. Had the big gap down yesterday. Sold off down into this 14 area. Had a bounce and then closed around 14.13. So we're looking to take this short below 14. I would look to take this short as a trigger around 13.90. From 13.90, look about 13.70 to 13.60 area as your price target. Try to leave a small piece open and come down into this possible support here around 13.30. So you could keep reducing 13.50 and then see what it does at 13.30. Next we have Cavium, CAVM. Again, strong sell-off yesterday. Broke down through the support level. Bounced up off of 37 and then closed at about 37.50, 37.47 here. So we're going to look to take this short below 37. Trigger would be around 36.90, 36.85. Take this short. You could look to take some profit initially around 36.35, but I really would like to see this test 36 and see if it can hold 36. If it can break down below 36, you might see mid 35s down even into 35. So try to leave a piece to break below that 36. You know, if we get some weakness in the market and some selling, it might break down and be a nice short for you. Next we have RVBD, Riverbed Technology. So this was the second session from the gap down where it held to the support. And it tried to break down below support. Just came down a little bit and then had a bounce back up to 31.25. We're going to look to take this short below 30.60. I would say your trigger would be around 30.50. I'd look to take some first profit around 30, see if you can come into 29.50, and then possibly 29 and high 28s for your last piece. So that's the report for today. Good luck to you. Have a nice weekend, and we'll see you back here on Monday.